Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new right here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. We kick off today's video with this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. This is such a chic modern bob. Does feature an asymmetrical A-line cut. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to look number 2. This one is also going to feature more of an asymmetrical style bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. We're also seeing a lot of the asymmetrical pixie this season as well, but I am loving the asymmetrical bob. The stylist created a beautiful feathered effect going with the bangs. Gorgeous. And next up, we see someone with long hair getting their hair trimmed. Looks like she's also going to be getting some color added as well. And looks like she went with this beautiful, warm, blonde ombre color. Beautiful transformation. And then we have another beautiful ombre transformation. She did get a slight trim to her hair as well. The color looks absolutely amazing. Another gorgeous lob haircut, beautiful blonde color added as well. Stunning. And then we have another gorgeous mid-length haircut, complete with the blonde hair transformation. Absolutely gorgeous color work with that one as well. So if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.